teachers! My name is Jill and I am an online tutor. And for today's video, gagawan ko ng video yung ating frequently asked questions na pinost ko sa Facebook page natin. Yung FAQs na pinost ko is sasabihin ko na lang dito or dito ko na lang sasabihin sa video na to. Okay? So sana naman ma-minimize natin yung mga tanong-tanong. So, if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, nag-upload ako ng mga videos, ng mga ESL online jobs, and also the tips on how to pass and how to apply dito sa Engoo. So, if you want to join my training, kasi nagti-train din ako, I conduct training sa mga gustong mag-apply dito sa Engoo. So, if gusto mong mag-join, please don't hesitate to message me on my Facebook page. So, ito yung Facebook page ko. So, yan, search nyo lang yan. And then, don't forget to like and follow para updated kayo sa mga post and chikahan natin doon. So, let's begin. Are you ready? Let's start! So, eto na. Unang-una, how to apply in Engoo. So, sa lahat ng mga taga-subaybay sa akin dyan, sa mga previous videos ko pa, alam nyo na meron akong in-upload na video on how to apply dito sa Engoo. If you want to watch that, ayan. And for more information, yun yung nilink ko sa itaas kanina and also ililink ko din dyan siya sa description box. Okay? So, first is you need to do the registration. You need to do the registration part, the video test, and last is you need to pass the language test. And once you pass the language test, tsaka ka magda-demo lesson. Kaya ako gumagawa ng mga trainings on how to pass the language test and how to pass the demo lesson para matulungan ko kayo na makapasa talaga. Kasi if ever you failed, you need to reapply after 6 months pa. And so, it's quite long. Matambay kayo or mag-check ulit kayo ng iba pang ESL. So, di ba, why not invest in yourself, invest para to make sure na makakapasa talaga kayo. And next, what are the requirements? So, andito, at least 18 years old. So, 18 years old kahit pa college ka. Siguro mga third year college to. Yes. Or second year college na third year college. So, as long as you are 18 years old and above, then that is okay. You are accepted here. And then, wala siyang age limit. Kahit pa 80 years old ka dyan, 70 years old ka dyan, as long as you are capable pa to teach, then that would be fine. And it should be, you should be proficient in English. Hindi siya, ang meaning nito is hindi siya like super slang sa English, like you need to talk like an American native speaker. No, hindi siya ganon. Dapat marunong kang mag-English. Yung mga basic English grammar, basic English sentences, yung mga ganon, at least alam mo yon. And the way you speak, you should have a neutral accent. So, yun yung importante dito. Next is, you should have a headset and webcam. Kasi yung Engoo is a video class. Hindi siya audio class. Video class. Next is, you should use laptop or desktop. This means na bawal ang cellphone. Hindi pwede ang cellphone or tablet. Dapat laptop or desktop. Next is, you should have a high-speed internet connection. Before, in my previous videos, super strict talaga or requirement talaga nila yung wired connection, wired internet connection. Pero, ngayon, di na nila required yung wired internet connection. They accept, yung mga wifi lang or yung mga prepaid wifi, home prepaid, ganon. They already accept that. And yung speed test, you should have 0.50 and above na Mbps for both upload and download speed. Okay? So, I hope klaro yon. Next, with or without experience is accepted. Degree or non-degree holder is accepted. Your headset must have a noise cancelling feature. There is no computer spec requirement. No TEFL certificate or any TESOL certificate needed. No resume, no application letter. No interview. Okay? Gusto nyo yun? Yeah! Then try! Apply na kayo dito. Very effortless. And mag-attend kayo sa training ko para you will have higher chances of passing. Okay? So now, dito na tayo sa qualification. So whether you are native speaker or non-native speaker, that's okay. You are accepted here. And if you're a Filipino and you want to apply dito sa Engoo, you should be residing in the Philippines. Because if not, hindi po siya pwede na you are Filipino and then you are outside the Philippines. The reason is meron siyang conflict regarding sa tax-related concern. So, that's why hindi pwede yung mga Filipinos residing outside Philippines. So, they should be here in the Philippines. Next is, if you're a native speaker, then you are residing here in the Philippines, then that's okay. You can be accepted here in Engoo. And again, you must have a TIN or tax identification number. Hindi siya required when you apply, but it will become a requirement when you pass or when you get hired dito sa Engoo. And don't worry kasi they will give you a month naman to process PIN. And again, you should have a friendly tone of voice, cheerful and lively, because ang brand name nito is Ingo. It means bibo. You should be jolly. You should be cheerful and energetic. So, you should always wear the brand. You should always represent the brand. Alright? What is Ingo? So, yung mga popular ESL ngayon is 5-1 Talk, mga ACAD Soc, diba? Yun talaga yung very popular ESL. Pero if this is the first time that you have heard about Engoo, then today you will know what is Engoo. So Engoo is a fun, empowering, and flexible language platform connecting students to the tutors in 25 minutes private English lessons. So you can work full-time or part-time. The students are international. There are different levels, beginners, intermediate, and advanced. There are different age group. There are elementary, nursery, high school, and then adults. And there is no minimum teaching hours. Slots are open 24/7, and the support is 24/7 real-time support, tutor support. Salary is credited twice a month, 15th and 30th. Salary is via BPI. If you don't have any BPI, they will transfer it via GCash. And the lesson is 60 pesos per 25 minutes, 120 per 55 minutes. And there are incentives like guaranteed booking rate incentive. You will get to know this one once you get hired in Engoo, because the team will have an orientation or a training regarding these incentives. And also, materials are provided, which means that you don't need to buy any other materials because the materials is already given by the company. And we will have our own teaching platform. It means that we don't use any Skype or Zoom. We have our very own teaching platform. And it is a booking system, but I guarantee that here in Engoo, hindi ka talaga mazizero. At least in a day, your slot will be full 80% if you are a new tutor. Alright, so I hope na through this video, you can really learn something and ma-minimize na natin yung mga tanong like teach, how much is the salary, teach, how many is the time flexible, teach, is it okay if it's part-time, so and etc. etc. So, I hope ma-minimize na natin yun kasi nag-post na ako sa Facebook page plus gumawa pa ako ng video nito. So, ako na talaga yung nag-adjust. But okay lang kasi ganyan naman talaga tayo kapag nag-apply. We wanted to make sure But I hope this video gives you security that what I am posting there and what I am saying here is really true and valid. And I'm inviting everyone that if you are willing to apply here in Engoo, and if you're interested to apply, then please don't hesitate to message me on my Facebook page, because you can join my trainings, you can attend our trainings on how to pass the language test and the demo lesson. Yes, there is a fee. Before, free lang talaga. I conduct trainings for free. But now, I already put rates or fees because I needed to close my slots in Engoo just to conduct training. So that means that I don't earn in Engoo, plus I will conduct free training. So ano na yung babalik sa akin, or so ano na yung earnings ko, di ba? It means na wala, zero talaga. So that's why if I will be closing my slots in Engoo, I need to earn something here sa trainings natin. But don't worry kasi it's not that high naman. I get to make sure that it's still affordable. It's just 300 pesos. And you know, if you try to think, 300 pesos is very low compared to the other fees. 300 pesos is just really, really low. So I don't think that will hurt your pocket, because 300 pesos is like an investment. It's like you are investing something for yourself, for your career, and it will provide you something. It will give you a lifetime job, because you don't know that 300 pesos can turn into a lifetime job. You can get Engoo, you can get hired in Engoo, diba? So why not take a risk? You can shop online with 500 pesos and above, 300 pesos and above. So why not have or save that 300 pesos into a training that will help you equipped and be prepared in your ESL application, diba? So it's not your loss. Anyway, it's not a loss. It's never really a loss when you pay 300 pesos. So yeah, in that way, you're also supporting me to continue this this kind of training, this kind of purpose, this kind of calling, or this kind of activity na ipagpatuloy ko to, so I can reach thousands of tutors. I can reach a lot of aspiring ESL tutors. So yeah, that's it. I hope we can see each other on our training and be one of us. Thank you so much, teachers, for watching this video, and I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button for you to be updated on my next videos. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.